Hey, it's Witt. Got a quick unboxing video for you today. It's my second delivery from WatchGang. I am part of the quarterly black tier subscription plan, so every 3 months. This is my second watch, and the first one they sent me was this watch here, Jerome Lamar's JL4677, and I'll leave a link to the full review on that watch up above. All right, Black Friday. I don't know if you're going to see this video in time for that. Maybe you will. Okay, so let's see what we have. Nodus. Okay, I just saw from that tag. I don't want to look at the reference number just yet. So you got the dark navy blue kind of vinyl box. Got good weight to it. You can barely see it in the camera, but there you go. Got the Nodus name on it. And let's see what's inside. I'm very curious. They got the first watch so right. I just want to see what this one is. Oh, wow. It's green. Oh, I like it. Wow. That is nice. Let's get the stickers off and stuff. So, got the pillow. Here, I'll set it aside for a minute. See if there's anything else inside. Okay, just the... Oh, here it is. So you got credit card style limited warranty. So warranty card. And that's it. I like that drapery. That's kind of nice. It's like a microfiber type cloth. Just as a little double drape. Pretty nice. All right. So let's see. Well, I tell you, my lighting is not that great tonight. Let's get the stickers off. That will probably help. Okay. So on the dial, I cannot read that. I don't know if it's... Oh, there we go. I have to read it through the camera. I still can't read it. See if I can look at it off camera. Okay, I had to get my loop to read it. It's actually... So it's... it says Swiss movement and 200 meters, 660 feet. So it's a quartz diver's watch. Look at that. That's nice. This is brushed stainless steel, and so you've got the applied indices. Let's get some of those fingerprints off. So applied indices, and the same thing, kind of it's hard to see here on camera because it's so shiny, but it's a brushed stainless steel as well. It's really nice. And then you've got on the chapter ring, you've got the 15, 30, 45, and the chevron up at the 12. And that's in like a metallic ink or screen print. And then that same metallic comes down into the dial for the minute markers. So pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. So let's take a better look at it. See if I can get the... It's already ticking away even though that guard's on. Gone with you. All right. So screw in crown. So this is going to be a 200 meter diver quartz. Let's see what we have. It's a good looking bracelet too. It feels nice and solid. Of course, I've got the wrap on it still. And okay, we've got... You want me to take that off too? I suppose, don't you? Of course you do. You want me to do it on camera where it's the hardest to do ever. You take these things off easy when they're not on camera. And see, now I got the schmudge on there. Get that stuff out of the way. Okay, so we've got sign clasp, Nodus, with a fold over lock and push button. And milled clasp. Nice and solid too. Feels good. You got 3 micro adjusts. See if there's a no diver extension or anything. I wouldn't expect that, but I thought I'd check just in case. Let's see the back. Maybe we'll have better luck reading the back. Screw down case back. See, again, harder to take off on camera. Okay, and then here we've got Swiss quartz movement, 20 atmosphere water resistance, and what is our third? All 316L stainless steel. And then you've got the Nautis signature there. What does that say? For the... Everything is so small. Either I'm getting really old or they're messing with me. For the open... I can't read that. All right, hang on. I'm going off camera again. Okay. It says for the open seas. So part of this is just this small... There we go. That's better for you right there, right? Nautis for the open seas. Okay, so then let's continue on. We got solid end links here. And it looks like push pin. Suppose you want me to take this stuff off, right? It's harder to do on camera. Oh, let's speed all this up. I was going to say, maybe I don't have to. But then it slowed down for me. Oh, the tab pulled off. Okay. Well, let's get some dimensions. Well, first let's do this. Let me unscrew the crown. Let's play. Oh, kind of sloppy feeling. Ooh, I don't like that. It's harsh. Like it needs to be lubricated or something. Okay, so we got first click. There's your date. Feels good. Slides easily. And let's check the day. So we've got English, Spanish. Right? That is right, isn't it? Okay. And let's do the time. And see if we're getting... This is noon. That's noon. Oh, I maybe wasted that time. I'm going to speed this up too. Oh, look at that. Right at midnight. That was pretty slick. And continue on till about 3 a.m. it looks like. Till you get the actual day changing. Of course, I left it in Spanish. There. Now it's Tuesday the 2nd. Oh, let me get the hands out of the way. All right, so yeah, let's see if that feels any better going in. No, not really. So we just need a little bit of oil on that. Need some lubrication. That tore up my fingernail. Look at that. Okay, so measurements. Let's do the measurements. All right, so case width, that's a fat bad boy right there, I'll tell you. 44.7. And this is going to be one of those lug-to-lugs that's super long because of that bracelet. If I can get it. I guess I shouldn't have to be, it couldn't have to be so accurate with it, huh? Okay, 52 looks like. I can't get it to stay there, but yeah, 53. Okay, so 53 lug to lug, but then look at this. You see those male end links, the way they do drop down a little though. That's not bad. At least they drop down. Look at that bucket-shaped case. That's great, huh? All right, so let's measure that though. So it was 53. Now with the male end links, 61. Look at that. It's funny though because it doesn't look that big. I'll try it on here and I'll show you. Let's finish though. That looks like about 14. Oh, 15. Wow. Oh, the lug width. Let me get that one. Okay. So 24. Okay. That's a big boy, isn't it? And it tapers down just a little, looks like. So let's see here near the clasp. Goes down to 22. So from 24 to 22. That is a little wide, isn't it? All right, see if I can get you a loom shot. Okay, it looks like it could have loom all around the dial, but I can't tell from that shiny silver stuff. Oh, no, you just got your hour, minute, and your lollipop second hand. Easy enough if you're wearing the watch. All right, so let's try it on, see what she looks like. Get this one off. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a large one. Okay, so I've got an 8-inch wrist, and you can see I've got some pretty good room here. I'm probably going to take out one link, maybe two. And I got those 3 micro adjusts, so I could use that as well. But you can see that those do drop down pretty good. You know, so it's just that the thickness of that link is what you're losing with that male because it actually doesn't protrude out that much. If you see there, it's just this center part, these two. It's pretty flush. That's where it bends. So it's just the thickness of that first female link that you're offset by. But that measurement sure did throw me off for that. That's a lot different. Yeah, so that is my Black Tier membership for Watch Gang for November. I'm on the quarterly plan, so 3 months until my next one. But follow along if you want to see the final review of this watch. And, I should mention, we'll get the reference number in here now. So it's JL2087-A. I'm sure -A is probably the green variant. And it's made in China. So yeah, just hit the subscribe button. I mean, 1 subscriber at a time is how I'm getting there. It helps me reach my goal, and which will ultimately bring me more watches to show you on the channel. So comment down below, hit the like button, share with your friends, and definitely subscribe. And we'll see you soon.